open. Hey, hi. Oh my goodness, so excited. I just now realized my baby hair was sticking out like the entire time of that video, so just mind that. I apologize. I'm not gonna re-record because of it, because this literally happens to me every time. I don't know why they can't just stay down. It's okay. I just want to let you know. I apologize again. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my January favorites. I have quite a bit here because I did a lot of shopping in the beginning of January and tried out a lot of different new products. So I'm excited to share these with you. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below. Also, I am doing a giveaway, so if you want to know what products I'm giving away and how to enter, then check out my last video. I'll leave it up here and down below, and let's just go ahead and get started. And I also just made myself sick eating pretzels and Sour Patch Kids. Like, oh my god, I just ate like so many. I could eat my weight times 10, honestly. I'm such a fat ass. So, first thing we're going to talk about is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Stick. This is awesome, guys. It's $32, not too bad for a high-end primer. It just twists up like this. I really do like it. It claims to be 12-hour, oh my god, 12-hour oil control, and it definitely does that. It keeps me pretty matte throughout the day without any touch-ups or anything. And at work, I'm always, you know, hot because I'm running around serving people and it's greasy and everything. But this does a pretty good job of keeping me looking decent. So yeah, thumbs up for this product. Next, we have two foundations I'm going to talk about. We have the YSL All Hours Foundation and the Model's Own Runway Foundation. This is $58. This is $11.99. I love both of these so much. They really worked out well. I was actually surprised the Model's Own one worked out because I know their brand, their products can be a little iffy sometimes, but I actually really liked it for my skin. Also, while I'm thinking about it, another one I tried out was this Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. I really do love this. This is also $11.99. The only problem I have with it, I don't really like the dropper application. I actually think it's kind of annoying. It takes too long, but the coverage and everything like that is super pretty. So, thumbs up on those, guys. For concealer, the only thing I have to say is I fell back in love with the Naked Skin concealer, guys. Obviously it's not a new product, but I retried it out. I just bought a sample size or a travel size at Sephora, and I love it, guys. I think I like it better than the Tarte Shape Tape. It just looks so good on the skin, and it's still really great coverage. I feel like Tarte Shape Tape can look a little cakey at times. This one, I feel like never does that at all, so props to that. I have a couple other face products to talk about, or maybe I don't. Maybe I just have one. We have this Laura Geller Baked Blush. This has become one of my go-to blushes. I got this in a Laura Geller set, and I just fell in love. I love the pigment. I think it looks so pretty. Thumbs up on that. Before we move on to eye and lips, I'm going to shout out Real Techniques brushes. Guys, these have become my go-to brushes. These little touch-up brushes, and then this is my blush and bronzer brush. I absolutely love these. I think that you absolutely need to have these in your collection. They're so affordable, and I highly recommend them. And they're so cute. They're all pink and stuff. Oh my god, I just dropped my YSL foundation, and it's in a glass bottle, and if I break that, I'm gonna cry. So moving on, I have a couple of lip products to talk about. The first one I'm gonna shout out is, oh wait, no, wrong one. What I'm gonna shout out are the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lips. A lot of people say these are drying, but I don't really find them that drying. I actually feel like they don't even feel like they're on my lips. And they are transfer proof. They last like so good throughout the day. And you can literally get these at TJ Maxx for like $7 most of the time. Now, I know some people have told me they can't find this at their TJ Maxx, and I am so sorry for you guys. But honestly, like, oh, you're missing out. I feel totally so bad because $7 for these, it's absolutely amazing. I love it. And the other one I tried out this month was the Urban Decay, I guess it's just a Comfortable Matte lipstick. And this is in the shade Back Talk. I'm wearing it right now, and I just, oh my god, I just dropped it in the trash. What is wrong with me? I just love the shade of this particular lipstick, but they also feel very, very good on my lips. Very creamy. And the one thing that I don't really like, it's not as transfer proof as the Anastasia one. Where are you going? My dog just left me. A mascara I want to shout out that is right on up there with my favorites in Too Faced Better Than Sex is this Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. I fell in love with this. Now, I think I got this in a Sephora favorite set. I could be wrong, but I absolutely love this, guys. The wand on it, let me just show you. Look at this wand. Like, doesn't that just look promising? Like, doesn't that just look like it's going to be a great mascara? I literally love it. Now, even though I wear false lashes a lot, I love this so, so much. So, yes, I highly recommend this. This is probably expensive because it is Lancome, but oh well. A couple eyeshadow palettes I'm going to shout out that I know I've brought up a million times is this Carli Bybel BH Cosmetics palette. This palette is, like, amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm so glad I bought it. It's $22. Pigment is great, and I just, oh my god, I fell in love. I love the colors in it and everything. Also, this Huda Beauty Electrics palette, these are so, so pigmented, and I love it. I'm actually going to be trying out some dupes from Hush for the Huda Beauty palette, so stay tuned for that, but for right now, I love this. I love this palette. And last but not least, we have this Tarte Glitter Liner. This is amazing. The pigment is there, and I will say NYX has one with the same amount of pigment. However, it burns the crap out of my eyes. Like, I can stand it if I really need to use it, but, like, this is way better because I can't feel it. I don't know what is in the NYX one that makes my eye burn, but it just does. But, yeah, this is super great. I highly recommend trying these out. One of these is also being put in my giveaway in the shade Rose Gold. We have the Stila Liquid Eyeshadows. Let me tell you, this is in Rose Gold, and I love it. I know these are not new, but I've just now hopped on that train, too. And I absolutely love them for a glam look. And plan on doing more glam looks soon when I have the time. I'm just so stressed out with, like, school and everything right now that I literally don't even have time to, like, mess around with all my stuff. But one day. That's all for makeup. I'm going to quickly shout out Kenra Clarifying Shampoo. If you got oily hair or you feel like your hair has product buildup, highly recommend. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. It does wonders. Don't use it on dry spots of your hair. Just use it where it's oily, which for me is on my roots. But yeah, highly recommend it. I think it is awesome. And for copyright purposes, I will not play these on my channel. But I'm also going to leave a couple music favorites down below. Mostly Camila Cabello and Chris Brown, because I don't know what it is right now, but I am, like, obsessed with them. So I'm going to leave you some music favorites down below if you want to check those out. And yeah, that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below. And please, please, please go check out my giveaway video so you guys can enter, because it has a great mix of drugstore and high-end products for you. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!